Welcome to video 5 of the inventory tutorial series. In this video we create a product assembly work order. Product assembly is the transformation step. Raw materials go out, finished drone frame kits come in. Let's build 3 kits. Open product assembly from the aspects menu. The left side shows our product groups and products. The right side will show the assembly work orders on top and the product recipe on the bottom. Click drone frame kit in the group tree. The lower right panel confirms the recipe we built in video 3. 2 aluminum tubes, 1 carbon plate, 1 hardware pack, and 2 hours of labor. With the product selected, we can begin the assembly. In the upper right inventory product assemblies list, right-click, Assemble Product Drone Frame Kit. New assembly row appears with liminal system number. Fill assembly detail fields, name. The stock radio is pre-selected general stock, not for a specific customer. I will enter quantity, 3, and assign to AeroFab assembly floor. Start today, due 3 days from today, and add a note. The batch table lists every open batch for the identifiers this product requires. Select Assistant is pre-selected. Correct automatically picks the batches needed to build the quantity you entered. You can override these selections manually if needed, but the assistant handles the math and picks the most efficient batches. Notice the reserved column updates to show committed quantities. Important, reserved does not yet reduce stock. That happens when we save. Click Save. The raw material quantities drop by exactly the amounts consumed. You can already see the assembly event recorded in the audit trail. The assembly work order can no longer be modified in meaningful ways. That is by design to protect the integrity of your inventory records. Product assembly is the engine of correct inventory transformation. Raw materials in, finished goods out, every unit traceable. In the final video, we pull kits out of stock with a requisition work order and then review the complete audit trail. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video.